Christmas is the season of giving, and what better way to show your love than with gifts that support health and wellness? Let's start with something simple but impactful. A fitness tracker. It's a great way to encourage your loved ones to stay active and track their progress. It's not just a gadget, it's a reminder to move and take care of themselves. For those who love a little pampering, consider gifting aromatherapy diffusers with essential oils. Scents like lavender or eucalyptus can help them relax after a long day, making this a perfect gift for stress relief. If they enjoy cooking, why not gift them a set of high-quality spices or herbal teas? Turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger are not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Or you could go for a blender or smoothie maker to help them whip up healthy drinks with ease. Weighted blankets are another amazing option. These cozy gifts have been shown to reduce stress and improve sleep quality, making them perfect for anyone who needs a little extra comfort this winter. And don't forget the gift of hydration. A stylish, reusable water bottle can encourage them to drink more water and cut back on single-use plastics. A win for their health and the planet. Finally, for those looking to invest in their wellness, consider gifting a yoga mat or online fitness class subscription. It's a fun way to help them stay active while trying something new. This Christmas, skip the usual presents and go for gifts that truly show you care. A little thoughtfulness goes a long way in giving your loved ones the gift of health and happiness.